Our company will design, engineer, and construct microgrids. A microgrid is a system that consists of solar plus energy storage and a generator. What the generator does is recharge the batteries in case of inclement weather that prevents solar from doing so. Solar is scalable, which means that we can design and construct small systems, but also very large systems, which is what we really enjoy doing, especially in the Texas Hill Country. We go to ranches, farms, vineyards, and meet with the clients to ascertain their energy goals, and then in turn collaborate with our team of engineers and electricians to come up with the best design and the solution for our clients. What makes us different from our competition is that as the co-owner and co-founder, I'm 100% accountable for the entire process. I interact with our clients from the beginning to the end, ensuring that the quality is maintained up to our standards and the client has a really positive experience. Feel free to contact us so we can determine which of our tools, solar, energy storage, or generator, would best serve you.